Great things happen to those who don't stop believing, trying, learning, and being grateful. Good morning. Hope is the power that gives a person the confidence to step out and try. Life will lead you can unplanned journeys. Joy the ride and trust that your final destination will be a great one. Life and time are the best teachers. Life teaches the use of time, and time teaches the value of life. Life is like a book. Every day is a new page, every month is a new chapter, and every year is a new series. Good morning. When your heart is happy, life feels balanced, things looks peaceful. Each new day is a blessing. Let go of all worries and be grateful for all the positive in your life. Good morning. Give every day the chance to become the most beautiful day of your life. Every morning you have a new opportunity to become a happier version of yourself. Being happy doesn't mean you have it all. It simply means you are thankful for all you have. The right mental attitude will guide you towards feeling a sense of love that you deserve to experience. The less you respond to negativity, the more peaceful your life becomes. Another fantastic morning to make into a fantastic day. Good morning. Wake up each morning with a grateful heart and positive attitude towards the day ahead. Always find time for the things that make you feel happy. Good morning. Wishing you a happy day with love, laughter, and peace. Great things happen to those who don't stop living, trying, learning, and being grateful. A positive mind with a loving heart can let us have healthy and stress-free lives. Life is like a novel, and every day is a page. If one page is sad, next will be happy. So don't worry, turn the page and enjoy life. Appreciate every moment of your life because one day you will wish you have more time. Good morning. Don't quit sometimes. The things you are hoping for come at unexpected times. What is coming is better than what is gone. Look forward, not back. Good morning. Best rule for a simple life: care with no reason and love with no expectations. Everything happens for a reason. Live it, love it, and learn from it. Good morning. The love we give away is the only love we keep. Good morning. Doing your best is more important than being the best. Take life day by day and be grateful for the little things. Don't get stressed over what you can't control. Be true to your heart. Put your whole heart and soul into it, and then whatever you do, it will shine through. Good morning. If you liked my video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.